hands off me. Have you gone mad? What is wrong with you? Is it by force to sleep with you? Why are you always coming to this house when my wife is not at home? Just to molest me? Is it because I've not told her about your nonchalant behavior?
Come on, Obiora. I am in love with you. I love you so much. I can't even get you out of my head.
Don't touch me.
See, let's just be in a relationship.
I said don't touch me.
Benita is also cheating on you if you don't know it. Oh, you think she got all of this just like that? Sorry to disappoint you. You are the man of this house. I want you to know that you are the man of this house. I don't know why you're so scared of her.
I am not scared of anybody. I'm not an adulterous man. I am faithful to my wife.
But the same wife is punishing you. She is punishing you. She abuses you at any time, any chances she gets. Come on. She abused you in front of your friends. Why can't you see this? Your wife is a bad wife. She's so irresponsible.
You're also a bad wife. Trying to cheat on your husband with another person's husband. If I'm going through anything with my wife, it's not your business. Why can't you and your other friends leave me alone? What is it?
Because I love you. Come on,
I said don't touch me. You're getting me upset. Don't touch me.
I can't even breathe properly. My heart beats for you. I am in love with you. Okay, fine.
Don't touch me.
Fine, just this one time and I am done.
There won't be any first, there won't be any last. Don't touch me again.
Come on, why are you doing this?
Stop!
Angela! Eh? So this is it. This is the Abuja you said you were going to.
Shit.
I am asking you, is this the Abuja you told me you're going
I missed my flight.
to? No, you will not only miss
In fact,
your...
I'm on my way.
You are not going to go anywhere. You will not only miss your flight, you are going to miss your life on earth. So my husband. So amongst all the men in this world, you decided to choose my husband. This is what you do behind my back. You want to lick what I am licking.
Please, enough of that.
Eh?
If I told your husband anything, it is nothing but the truth.
Yes,
you are an irresponsible wife. Even you're a very bad wife.
Saint Teresa, you are a responsible wife. What are you doing here? Does this place look like your husband's house? So my husband is entering your eyes, Angela. Between you and I, one person is going to die today.
I don't even have that.
One person is going to die today.
It's okay. Baby, it's okay. Baby, leave her.
Stay away from my family. Stay away from my husband. Stay away from everything that concerns me. Do I make myself clear? Do not say I have not warned you. I know you have eyes for my husband. I know that you are interested in him. But guess what, darling? My husband is not interested in you. So leave him alone, alright? Stay away from him. Because if you don't, I'll kill you.
You get money, you get power. I know you can buy anything money can buy. But you cannot buy true love, bear it in mind. You cannot buy true love, bear it in mind. You may get money, you may get connection, you may get everything, but you cannot buy true love. You cannot buy it. Stop chasing shadow, my dear. Stop chasing shadow. True love is priceless. It's bigger than money and riches. True love is priceless. Bear it in mind. Mellow down. 'Cause money is not everything. Look for your soulmate. Look for your love. Stop interrupting. fairy. You cannot stop the moving train. Look for your soulmate. Look for your own love.
This one. Take your drugs. You have to take your drugs, okay? So you can get better.
I got it. Okay. Oh my God. I'll get my slippers. God. What is it? Let go of me! Look, I got it! Don't help me! I can't do it! Wait! Oh my God! You are just too stubborn. You are too stubborn. Look, don't carry me! I can walk by myself! I said I can walk by myself! Drop me down now! Drop me down!
What have you not done wrong? Is this the time married men come back to their house?
I was doing something at the office. I needed to finish.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up your lying mouth! Look at this house. This mansion, can you afford it? Can you afford it? All you do is go out and party with your friends while I stay at home, right?
Please stop. I'm already cold. I'm feeling cold already.
That cold will kill you. You see that cold? Let it kill you. Let it shut. Leave my house.
Benita, what have I done? What have I done to you?
Open the gate!
What have I done?
Open the gate! Open it! What have you done?
I was busy
Get
at the
out
office.
of my house! Get out!
I was... Benita!
Lock the gate! Lock it! Go and ask your uncle in the village what you have done. You slept one! You are a foolish man! I said very unfriend! What foolish you there? Go and just... Stop it! Idiot!
Benita! I was busy at the office!
You get money, you get power. I know you can buy anything money can buy. But you cannot buy true love, bear it in mind. You cannot buy true love, bear it in mind. You may get money, you may get connection, you may get everything, but you cannot buy true love.
What are you doing here? Why are you like this? Where's your shoe?
Stop chasing shadows.
Just come, let us go home, okay?
Stop chasing shadows.
Leave me alone. I'm not going back to that house. Just go to your house. I'm not going with you.
Yeah, what's going on with you now? Come, let's go. This place is just dry. Let us go home.
Like you care. Do you care? Please, just let me be. Let me be, please.
Because I'm being nice, Abby. Because I'm being nice. You think I'm nice to you? Come, let us go, Joe.
Look for your soulmate.
I said I'm not going back to that house. Thank you for everything. Just thank you. Go. Just go. I'm not going with you.
Okay, alright. Stand up, let us go now. I'm not going to repeat myself. Stand up, let us go. Stand up, let us go.
Look for your soulmate.
Yeah, leave me now. Leave me.
Okay.
Look for your own love.
Just take it. Okay, alright. Stand up. Oh! Okay, cool.
Sometimes it's hard, yeah. Life is a lesson, sometimes it's sweet, yeah. Live make I live, okay, says your boom bum. Live make I live, okay, says your boom bum. I know I'm Maria, okay, says your boom bum. It not be my choice, okay, says your boom bum. I wanted the wife, okay, says your boom bum. It not be my choice, okay, says your boom bum. Allow me to go, okay, says your boom bum. You're not my happiness, okay, says your boom bum. You are not my choice, okay, says your boom bum. What the people we trust can change anytime. Either for good or for bad.
My husband. My very handsome husband. I am so ashamed of myself. I feel so ashamed thinking of all I put you through. Please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I have wronged you. I have treated you so badly. I don't even deserve to be your wife, but please, I want to be good. I want to be a good wife to you. Yes. I'm going to change. Just forgive me. I am so sorry, please. Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Oh. I have wronged you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine.
No.
It's okay. I forgive you.
It's okay.
I forgive you. Please get up. I forgive you. Okay? It's okay. Come on. I say I forgive you. Stand up. Stand. I forgive you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Stop crying.
I told her the needful.
You know, I cannot go to the Igwe to intercede or bring her father's issue up just like that. It is not done now, you know it.
No.
Eh?
What did you tell her to do?
I just told her that she should, do the thing. Let me just see her leg. That's all.
Hey, no. Why will you want to do that to a blind girl? Eh? To a blind girl, you are old enough to be her father, and you want her to open her legs. Why? What for do?
I don't like people who pretend like you. Why are you pretending? Eh? If she is blind, is she blind down there? Eh?
Hey.
She's not. She's a pretty girl. You know it.
Hey, you must not sleep with old women, both young, old, widow, in this community, in the name of you are trying to help. Oh no? Eh?
How is that your business? Tell me.
You are asking me?
Yes.
Oh no? Don't abuse the privileges given to you as Ono of this our community. Oh. Don't abuse that privilege, Ono. You have to respect it. Eh, Ono?
Eh?
Ono of our community.
Eh?
You want her to open her leg.
It's like you are jealous. I am the Onowu. You are not the Onowu. So, mind your business. Do you hear me? Okay. Mind your business.
Chiejike, Onowu. All right, it's okay. I will tell you that I also have equal power. Look at him, just a blind girl. You want to see her. You want to see her legs open. For what? For what? I heartless human being.
So you think you're now decent, huh? You think we will not find out what you did behind our back, right?
Rose, how could you tell Benita that we want to lay with her husband? How could you do that? And you claim we are friends. You bloody betrayer!
Are you really asking her that question? You don't even need to ask her that question because by the time we're done dealing with you, you will learn how to shut this hole in your face that you come out.
You have single
Hello, my darling husband. I'm just going downstairs to make you your favorite. Yes, as soon as I'm done, what do you want? Should I bring it over to the office or? Okay, I should wait. Alright. I miss you, baby. I love you so much. I can't wait for you to be back. Okay, I better go. Bye.
Coco! Coco, come!
Madam! Madam, come.
Yes, please take this clothes. Give it to the laundry man outside. Give him this money too.
Okay, outside gate.
Yes, he's right outside. Give it to him.
Yeah, madam. Madam, oh.
Coco! Coco!
Madam!
Come. I brought food for you. Go ahead. Enjoy it. Go ahead.
Me. Madam using 2 naked leg. With in 2 hands, come give me food. Madam, don't change. Hey! Madam, don't change. Ma kukuma completer. Wonder shall never end. Hey, Chim. Food. Ndi. Hey!
Do you like it?
Like it.
Yeah. So, your wife is a good cook.
Yes, she is.
Thank you, baby. Okay, here we go.
It's real good.
I'm glad you like it. Okay. Enjoy.
My sweet wife.
What?
I'm not going to miss my step.
No, I got you. There's a step in front of you. So, one step down. There you go. There, another one. Another one. Yeah, so let's go.
Babe.
Don't worry. There's a step. Just raise your legs. There. We're almost there.
Okay.
Yeah. Calm down. Okay, here. Here. I'm going to unveil you now.
Okay.
See. Ta-da! Your new car.
Oh my word! You got a car for me?
Yes, you deserve it.
No, you are kidding.
No, I'm not, babe.
Jeez!
It's for me. Yes, baby. It's all yours. It's yours.
You got me a Benz.
Of course I did.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Come on, baby. You deserve this car and more. I love you. And I promise to be a good wife and always bring you happiness. Okay? God will continue to bless our marriage in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Babe, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's your favorite color, right?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Of course.
You just swept me off my feet.
Oh, please don't fall. I'm glad you like the car.
I love it.
Bro, honestly, I'm happy for you. I can't believe this is your story.
My guy, I'm still in shock. As you can see, I'm in my office now. She even got me a new car so I can forgive her. But we are cool now.
It's alright.
I've forgiven her.
It's alright. That's nice.
Yes. Hey, Mike. You said something about me talking to your wife or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I remember. It's about a blind, helpless girl I met in a village where I went to buy a land. Obiora, I need to listen to this girl sing. She has a very wonderful voice. As a matter of fact,
A blind, helpless girl.
I recorded her. Yeah. Man. I would like you to help the girl. You know how my wife can be. She can be very unpredictable. What is going on? Do you know her? Uju? Wait. You know her? Obiora. Talk to me now. What is going on?
Mr. Mike, is that you?
My love.
Obim,
My love, it's me.
Obim,
It's me, Obin.
it's you. Obim, Obim, I've missed you.
I missed you too.
I missed you so much. I missed you. Obim,
It's me, Obiora.
it's you.
Yes.
It's you. It's you, Obim. I missed you too. I missed you. I missed you so much.
Come and see it. Come and see it.
Are you here with someone?
Yeah, it's my friend, Ken.
Ken,
See.
my love. I can't believe my uncle said you were not going to come back. I knew you were going to come. I knew you were going to come back. My love. So you said you know Mr. Mike?
Yes, he's my friend. We work in the same office.
Are you serious?
Yes.
He's a very good man. He has been a very, very good friend to me.
My love,
Yes.
what happened between you and Kelvin?
Before God, that is not even something I want to remember. That man made life miserable for me. He abused me. He tortured me. He tormented my life. He was sleeping with your cousin, Ada. That moment of my life was hell. I was waiting for you to come back. And your uncle told me that you were married now. Is it true? Are you truly married to that?
My love, we'll talk about it. Okay? As for Kelvin, I will trace his house. He will pay for all of this. He will pay. He must surely pay.
That guy must be a beast. Even in your condition like this, see bro, you need to visit that bastard. Because I won't spare him myself.
You trust me. And my love, we are leaving this village with immediate effect. Yes, I promise. I can't leave you here anymore. Okay?
Thank you.
You are living with me.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. I really missed you.
I missed you too. I missed you.
Life is a lesson, sometimes it's hard, yeah. Life is a lesson, sometimes it's sweet, yeah. Live make I live, okay, says your bumbo. Live make I live, okay, says your bumbo. I know I'm Maria, okay, says your bumbo. It not be my choice, okay, says your bumbo. I wanted the wife, okay, says your bumbo. It not be my choice, okay, says your bumbo. Allow me to go, okay, says your bumbo. You're not my happiness, okay, says your bumbo. You are not my choice, okay, says your bumbo. What do you the people we trust can change anytime.
Come on, move! Come on. Come on. Take him out. Move. Keep Moses. Move. Obera, just not Moses. Now don't go back there again, please. Obera, you are going there. Come on, get you. You will rot in jail. Officer, take them out. Please, what? Shameless cousin sister. Take them out. My friend, move.
Has he picked your call yet? Okay, thank you. Bye.
I wish I can actually see.
Hey, my love, I know you can't see, but this is a new place where you'll be staying for now.
Alone?
I'll be coming, of course.
Hey. Okay. It's a new house?
Yes, a new house.
Hey, Obim. Thank you.
You will love it.
Thank you.
I know.
I know I will love it.
The interior is so fine.
Eh?
I'm telling you.
Hey! Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Easy. Take it easy. This way.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, there's a step. Another step. Hey. This place is different from the ground that I stepped on. It's soft.
Yes, it's a carpet grass.
Carpet grass? What?
Yes.
So grass have carpets? Hey! It's very soft though.
Yes.
Hey, it's like our farm in the village. Hey! It has grass. Hey.
And this place is more like a sit-out,
Hey.
where you'll be receiving fresh air.
Hey, I like it. I like it.
My love, easy.
Sorry. I like it.
Like it, right?
Yes.
You'll be sitting here to be receiving fresh air.
Okay, there's a seat here.
Yes.
Hey, show me.
Sit out.
Show me the seat.
Sit.
Hey! Hey, I like it.
Let's go inside.
Okay. Okay.
I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, it doesn't matter what is going on right now. We go be together someday, baby. I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, I'm your...
My love, I'm sorry. It was all my fault.
No.
I know you waited.
It's not your fault, really. You said the ticket delayed, and I believe you. It wasn't your fault. I should have waited. If I hadn't gone with that beast who almost ripped me off, who tormented my life, I should have waited for you, really. But now you have to go back to your wife. You're married. You've done enough for me already. I can fend for myself from this point. Maybe this is what destiny wants for us. Okay?
My love, I can't stop thinking about you. You're part of me. You're my life.
But you are married.
I'm not married. I'm still single. I don't see any marriage without a wicked woman. We are going to get married as we always promised to be with each other.
It won't work. You are married. Nothing can change it. You're married to Benita.
Please, just remove that thought from your mind.
I can't remove Benita from my mind.
My love, I'm sorry. Like I said, it was all my fault. I was told that Kelvin took you to Canada. I believed the lies. I couldn't get to you. I was broken. I was so down. I couldn't eat. I couldn't do anything. I'm sorry. But you know I'm back for you.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm back. Your baby is back for you. Your small mouth. I missed your small mouth, baby.
You're naughty. It's okay.
That's why I'm not in the bed.
No.
You get money, you get power. I know you can buy anything money can buy. Oh. But you cannot buy true love, bear it in mind. You cannot buy true love, bear it in mind. You may get money, you may get connection, you may get everything, but you cannot buy true love. You cannot buy it. Stop chasing shadow, my dear. Stop chasing shadow. True love is priceless. It's bigger than money and riches. True love is priceless. I bear it in mind.
Baby, please, baby, I'm begging you, please, don't go. Please, I am begging you, I am sorry. I have changed. I promise you, I am now a new person. I am doing my best. I am so sorry. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know I have really hurt you so much in the past. Oh, please, I am sorry. Don't hurt me like this. Please, I beg you, I'm sorry.
Why do you think I want to hurt you?
I don't know. I just feel it in your actions. I mean, you really changed. You now keep late nights. You come back. You don't talk to me. You don't eat my food. You don't even cuddle me anymore. I'm sorry. Please.
It's just a matter of time. I will be fine.
Baby, this time is taking too long. It's killing me. I just want you to change.
I will see you when I come back.
Baby.
I will see you. I have to go to work.
You're just going to go like that?
I will see you when I'm back.
Ain't you going to at least tell me to stand up? Babe! I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best.
Uju. 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 Uju.
Where was she? What?
Uju!
Let me just sit and wait for her. A blind girl left the house.
Benito, calm down. Please calm down. Something is definitely wrong. Yes. And you have to find out.
What do you think could be possibly wrong? I have done everything right. I have tried my best to be a good woman, a good wife. And everything was working very well. We're good together. And suddenly, he changed again. Do you think I should give him more chance?
I don't know. I really don't know. I'm trying to... I can't think.
What is going on? What is going on? This is just so confusing. It's killing me inside. I don't even know.
Monica, please. You're overstressing yourself. Please calm down. I beg you. I need you to calm down. Please.
Yeah.
Please.
My love, I want us to go abroad.
Oh, okay.
I'm already making arrangements for that. I will make sure you regain your sight. I don't mind going bankrupt, but I will do it.
Oh baby, it's a very good idea and I like it. I really want to see again, but you have to take it easy.
I am taking it easy, my love. I am, trust me.
Okay, I really want to see again.
Of course.
I can't wait to see you, especially now that you are working. I know you must have changed a lot.
My love, that one is certain. You will regain your sight again.
Thank you.
You were never born like this.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Beautiful Uju. So small. Drink.
Oh, okay. It's like your own is tasting different.
Really? You think so?
It's sweeter. I like it. Take it.
Cheers.
No, I wanted you to drink from my own.
Okay.
You like it?
Yours is sweeter. Babe, are you okay?
Yes, sir. I think I'm okay.
I drink some.
Babe, are you... What's that? Okay, wait, let me help you. What's that? You want to throw up?
It's okay. Sorry. This way. Just hold on.
Life is a lesson, sometimes it's hard, yeah. Life is a lesson, sometimes it's sweet, yeah. Live you make I live, okay, says you bumbo. Live you make I live, okay, says you bumbo. I know one marry, okay, says you bumbo. It not be my choice, okay, says you bumbo. I wanted the wife, okay, says you bumbo. It not be my choice, okay, says you bumbo. Allow me to go, okay, says you bumbo. You are not my happiness, okay, says you bumbo. You are not my choice,
Honey,
okay,
you're
says
welcome.
Thank you.
Let me help you.
Leave my bag.
Let me help you.
I said leave.
The people we trust can change anytime, either for good or for bad. How do you feel when people around you are being hurt by you? What does it take to care for our loved ones and do good today? Life is a lesson, sometimes it's hard, yeah. Life is a lesson, sometimes it's sweet, yeah. Live you make I live, okay, says you bumbo. Live you make I live, okay, says.
Did you eat before taking your drugs? Baby, don't lie to me. Don't even try it. Okay, I believe you.
Hello? Can you hear? Hello? Hello?
Here is the test result, sir. Your wife is 2 weeks pregnant.
What? Doctor?
Yes, you are 2 weeks pregnant, madam.
2 weeks pregnant? You mean I'm going to be a father?
Congratulations.
My wife's you.
Hey,
You're pregnant.
I can't see it.
You're pregnant.
I can feel it. Yes, I'm pregnant.
Mommy, thank you so much.
I'm going to have a baby.
Yes! Doctor, Thank you very much, doctor.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.
Thanks.
Munachi. Hey, I like that name. I like it. In fact, I've always dreamt of naming my baby that.
Yes.
Munachi.
Munachimso.
Munachimso.
And as soon as our paper comes out, we'll fly abroad.
Are you serious?
Relocate and start our new life over there. So that's the plan.
What about Benita?
My love, I don't want to talk about her. My uncle should continue marrying her for all I care.
Hey, Mbano. I know you want us to be happy and you want us to be together. But whatever it is, we have to take things easy. We have to be careful as well. Oh?